Welcome back. You are watching WION World is One. Thank you for staying with us and for joining us at this hour. I'm Eric Njoka. The headlines. Lebanese Health Minister Firas Abiad says 8 people were killed and some 2,750 wounded in pager explosions across the country, with Hezbollah saying the pagers were used by its members. Hezbollah says Israel fully responsible for pager blasts amid heightened violence between Israel and the Lebanon-based militia. Pakistan summons Kabul's charge d'affaires over Afghanistan's Consular General in Peshawar, showing disrespect to Pakistan's national anthem, which it says is against diplomatic norms. Germany will provide $111 million in aid to help Ukraine through the coming winter as it weathers Russian attacks on its energy infrastructure. A global analysis predicts infections of drug-resistant superbugs are projected to kill nearly 40 million people over the next 25 years, with the researchers urging action to avoid this grim scenario. Superstar rapper Sean Diddy Combs arrested after being charged with racketeering, conspiracy and sex trafficking in an indictment that accuses the superstar of engaging in decades of sexual abuse of women. For all the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.